That terrifying noise from under your hood? It might be trying to tell you something important. Hey gearheads! Today we're diving into those mysterious fan noises that could either be a quick fix or a sign of serious trouble ahead. Stick around, because I'll show you exactly how to diagnose that sound and potentially save thousands in repairs. Before we jump into those scary noises, let's get something straight. Your car's cooling system is like your body's circulatory system. Your car actually has two types of cooling fans. 1. Electric fans. Computer controlled. Run based on temperature. Can work even when engine's off. 2. Mechanical fans. Connected to engine by belt. Always spinning with engine. Uses clutch for speed control. The noise guide. Now, let's play a game of Name That Noise. Speaker high volume grinding or humming. Probably failing fan bearings. Gets louder with speed. Don't ignore this one. Speaker high volume rattling or clicking. Look for loose or damaged blades. Could be debris caught in there. Quick fix if caught early. Hey, quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, your car will thank you later. Drop a comment below with the weird noises your car is making. I read every comment. DIY diagnosis. Let's play mechanic. Here's your safety checklist. Never check a hot engine. Disconnect the battery first. Keep those loose clothes away. Time to inspect. 1. Visual check first. 2. Listen for noise patterns. 3. Check the temperature gauge. 4. Look for obvious damage. When to call the pros. Look, I'm all for DIY, but sometimes you need to wave the white flag. Here's when to call in the experts. Electrical issues. Complex fan assembly problems. When you hear multiple symptoms. Prevention tips. Let's keep that fan happy. Regular inspections, every 30,000 miles. Keep it clean. Monitor coolant levels. Listen for changes. Wrap up. Remember, that noise isn't just annoying, it's your car's cry for help. Take care of it early, and you'll save yourself from bigger headaches down the road. If this video saved you some cash, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to catch all our car care tips. Drop a comment below with your car fan stories.